So y'all see, it's another vid, but I got the same thing on from my last vid that I'll be posting. So I might have to give y'all the rundown, but first, it's a Grand National. Basically a Ford Lightning. Can't give y'all all the tea, but this is gonna be completely different from my regular and normal videos, because y'all know, for my followers that already been following me and subscribe to me, y'all know I'm building a 1983 Z28 Camaro boosted LS swap. Yeah, I know y'all see the background, but this is gonna be a lot different. I'm gonna try something new, but I'm still gonna be building stuff. I normally don't put other people's builds on my channel, but I'm led to do so. So this guy I met in Florida, man, hey, God is good. First, before I even get into the video, bro, I want to thank God for everything. I want to thank him for my subscribers. I want to thank him for the strength, for the drive, for everything to just keep going, even when life wasn't so favorable to me. So first, I got to shout out to Jesus Christ all the way. So we're going to get right into the video. So this is what I'm actually working on, y'all. I forgot what year he said it was. I'm gonna put it in the description, but my man got a 6.0 LS swap in this Chevelle. I think it's a 67. So he already had men doing the work in here, but I'm the one that installed the gauges. As you see, oh dang, I think the battery on hook or the battery dead. But I don't know if y'all see over here, I got to do them wires right. I'm gonna fix all of this up, make it look real good. For the fuel wire, I'm gonna have him get a relay, and I'm gonna wire it in a relay. So what actually led me to post this and to start making videos on it, my man said this car has been sitting for years. So I just feel like, as y'all see this car, y'all know how I do when I make my videos, because if y'all been following me, if y'all have been following me for my day one subscribers, when I had did the Z28, it was a 1996 Z28. Car had a head blow, gasket, and everything. Man, I got it on the road running and went to sliding. So I feel like this will be the extra motivation and the extra push for me. Even I know I'm gonna get it ready, but more so for him, because he been going through a lot of people. So I didn't put this in, but I actually got it, you know, running better. Found out that he needed more sensors. So I installed the mass airflow sensor. Of course, that's temporary, and I'm doing the map now, so the intake actually is not bolted down. Got to do the wires, because as y'all see, it's touching the headers. So yeah, man, nice Chevelle, y'all. That's a whole nother build we're gonna do, but we're gonna get back to that. But yeah, man, I'm finna install the rest of this stuff. Like I said, I don't know which video I'm dropping first. I may drop them at the same time, but I don't know which one I'm dropping yet, but in my last video I said, for some reason I just don't like to video record me doing stuff no more. So I'm gonna go on and get this situated. I do got to take the alternator off after I put everything on, to go take it down and get it tested to make sure it's straight. I ain't even have time to do that, but today is that day. So yeah, man, let's go on and get this situated, get this bolted down, get this map sensor and these new plug wires in.